In this video tutorial, we will demonstrate the other sophisticated node shapes like the SVG node, which renders SVG images, the video node, which plays videos, the table node that represents a table with arbitrary number of columns and rows, the container node that hosts other nodes. And the control node that can contain any HTML element, images, text, checkboxes, and the rest. Here is our project from the previous tutorial. It contains the composite node, and we will add now an SVG node. We create an instance of the SVG node class and set its bounds. Then we create an SVG content instance. For a content of the node, we have prepared an SVG image. We use require to provide it as a parameter to the parse method of SVG content. We set the content to the newly created SVG node and add it to the list with complex nodes. We also add a label as its ID. We can see now our SVG node in a list with complex nodes. Let's add now the next complex node, the video node. We copy a video in MP4 format in the SRC folder of the project. Here is our video. We create an instance of the video node class in the same way we created an SVG node. We set its bounds and use setVideoLocation to specify the path to the video file. Then we add the node to the list with nodes and add its ID to the list with IDs. Here is the video node. We can create instances of it with drag and drop. Here is our video inside the node. We will add now a table node. It is created in the same way as a video node with the difference that we set no video location. Instead, We set a brush that will provide the color of the table node. If we just set an HTML color, the brush will be solid. Here is the table node. We will add now an instance of the container node. The code is almost identical as that for the table node. We have here a new property, Caption Back Brush. As you probably have guessed, it specifies the color of the container caption. Here is the container node. It is used for holding other nodes. You can drag and drop nodes inside it. Nodes in containers can have links. Both the nodes inside a container and the nodes in different containers can be linked. The containers themselves can be linked as well. For the last type of node, we will copy a picture in the SRC folder. This is a PNG file. We will use HTML code as content of a control node. We create a new instance of the control node class and paste some HTML as a template for the node. We only need to add the node to the lists with nodes and we are done. Here is the node. It contains the HTML controls and the picture we specified. And this is the end of this video tutorial. We have demonstrated all complex node types of the diagramming library. Thank you for watching and thank you for your interest in MindFusion Developer Tools.